Hey guys, we are back again with another unboxing video, and this time we have our lion cat right next to us, supporting us on the unboxing of a new Puma product that we purchased today on the 21st of December 2025. Right, Lio, boy, you excited? Look at those guys. They came just to look at you and also my unboxing. This would be the first primary thing that you came for, looking for, but this is the second one. The secondary unboxing. So like I told you before in one of my earlier unboxing videos that this is a normal box that we get the footwear in, the red, typical red color box. One of the premium shoes that we unboxed earlier today, you should go check that out on a sneaker. It had a different kind of a box. Let me show you the box. I guess I don't have it here, but that was a kind of maroon color. This is the standard red boxes that you get the Puma footwear in. So let's open and see what we have here. So we have a nice black color sneakers, and the name of this product is Puma Smash V2, and it is retailing at 4,999. Let me get the box closer to you. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to look at the details that is written on the box, because I'm just testing this kind of videos. I just started off recently setting up all this setup. So what do you think, boy? How are we going so far? You like the product? Look at my shoe. What do you say, boy? He's probably just he came around for food, but he can stay back to look at the unboxing video of my Puma footwear. This is a nice matte finish black sneakers. I have a similar kind of a sneaker that I purchased several years back. It has this Mercedes logo over here, Puma in collaboration with Mercedes. But this is just plain black sneakers, and I'm really comfortable. The earlier sneaker that I showed you, I'm not that comfortable with it, but this is a beauty, a real beauty, and I really like it. The style, the color, and the comfort that it gives me when I wear it. This is a nice 9 size shoe, Indian 9. Look at the sole, there is Puma imprint on it. It's not rubbery, it's all hard. The sole is also hard. I'm finding it a little difficult to fold it. That is the quality of the sole. About an inch thick sole, and there is Puma printed here, not engraved, but there is a print Puma written on this place, and also a symbol. There are no stitches here, and you can look at the sole. It's all soft. It says soft foam, and we got it at a 40% discount. We got it for 3,000 bucks, 2,999. Don't you think that is a good deal, boy? Huh? Like, don't you think it's a good deal? He prefers to stay quiet because he does not wear shoes. Boy, Laya, come closer, boy. We are not yet done with our unboxing today. So let's look at this footwear from all the angles. Really, I'm really happy looking at this footwear. And this is also, we do not have sponge here. So let us look at let us look at the footwear from all the angles. This is the first angle. This is the front. The other way. And since it's not having that glossy, shiny look, even dust does not will the dust will not stay on this. Definitely, I'm going to use it for rough use, daily purpose use. So when I hold it, it gives me a kind of very good feeling about the whole product. Because I have worn this kind of shoe earlier, that I have worn for several years, about 3 or 4 years, or probably more than that. It was durable, and that is why I went for another shoe which was similar. But the old shoe that I have, I did not find another piece similar to that. So this shoe is just plain Puma sneakers. It does not have any collaboration with Mercedes or Ferrari or anything like that. But yeah, I guess you can go for it. The quality also feels really good. I have a good feeling about this product. So this was the unboxing of my Puma sneakers Smash V2. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. My cat is definitely jealous of me looking at my new sneakers today. Right, boy? I would definitely give him some food in some time. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. You have a good time and happy new year in advance. Bye.